Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yala Singarimbun. My student number is A1B222034. And in this video, I will break down to find introduction, method, result, and discussion from 5 articles that I choose for my research. And for article number 1, the title is Translation of Idioms, How They Are Reflected in Movie Subtitling. And in this article have introduction right here, and the introduction start from here, and yeah, in this introduction I found writer opinion. It is in start from here. Taking this into consideration, this study aims at investigating the idiom and the strategy of translating the idiom in Murder on the Orient Express movie. So, writer opinion is start from here, the study until Express movie. Okay, next method. This article, the method that using in this article is study utilize Becker, Seidel, and McMurdy theories as its frameworks. And then finding and discussion. Finding same as result. So the result is start from here, and then and the end of the result is here. So the fact that writer can say in this article that we can use a table. So the meaning of this table is the result that writer found when doing the research. Writer found that keyword with idiomatic use have 21 percentage, and then idiom with nouns and adjective 3%, idiomatic pairs 1%, idiom with preposition 9%, phrasal verbs idiom 34%, verbal idioms 6%, idioms from special subjects 1%, idioms with keyword from special categories 21%, idiom with comparison 4%. So the total idiom that writer found is 77 idioms. And then in this article writer use conclusion as discussion. So the opinion that we can found from conclusion that writer already make is this: translation by purpose can be used. The translator cannot find the suitable translation idiom in TL. I think that's all from article 1. Next, article 2. Okay, next article number 2. The title is Translation of Metaphors and Idioms in Mission Impossible movie. So, writer opinion can be found in abstract too, because writer said the aim of this paper is to present the finding of experiment with MA student in English psychology. So from the aim until Pilogi. And this article, there are introduction, start from here until here, and then this article have method research methodology, same as method. And the fact that writer can say is the experiment that was the result of the problem statement that students of English language and literature still have difficulties in translating cultural concept from here and here. And there is the fact or the result from writer after doing the research. And then maybe the result from this methodology is only hypothesis, and the real result is in this, from the text until until here. So there are so much fact that writer can say in this article, but I only talk about one. There is in table 1 semantic rendering of title paying the paper. Writer said that the next challenging expression was keeping the non-equity based remuneration of executive, which made reference to the corporate practice in the United States at that time to compensate the executive for the bad performance of the company as a result of the generalized crisis. Yeah. Okay, for the discussion, this also have discussion, but in conclusion and recommendation. So here and here, and the opinion that writer said in discussion as a writer have recommendation for the research and application that writer said, given the fact that our language are culture bound. Okay, I think that's all for article 2. Next, article 3. Okay, next article is an analysis of the strategies used in translating idioms in Indonesia into English found in Indonesian legends. The introduction for this article start from here until here, and the opinion that writers write in this article here, the result of translation should serve the information in the target language without change the meaning in the source language from the result until source language. And after that, we need to find method. The method for this article is here, and the result same as findings. Writer found that facts after doing research is from table 1. Strategy used by the translator for translating the idiomatic expression found in Indonesian legends. Writer using source target and text target. Writer found that in Indonesian legends have different types of strategy that need to use to translating Indonesian to English. There is so much like similar meaning and similar form, omission and paraphrasing, but we can see from the result that we can make assumption the facts of this article that paraphrasing is the most common the most often strategy used in this result. And this article have specific discussion that and in discussion writer said the fact that after analyzing the data related into the idiomatic expression found in the Indonesian legend, the research here was about to bring up some concept related to finding to discuss. The research found out 18. It is fact because writers can state 18 after doing research. Research says that 18 idiomatic expressions in total, of which literal meaning were completely different from the idiomatic ones. So we can make our assumption fact, but also the writer also said facts in discussion. Okay, article number 4, the title is Translating Idioms, a study on English translation of the dead palm. This article have introduction from here until here, and we can find writer opinion from the abstract. There is writer said the writer said this study is conducted to find strategies for translating idiom into the English language. And then after finding introduction, we need to find method that used in this article. The method used in this article is conducting the study. There is describe the research method employed to answer the research question, and study design and description of corpus, and also includes procedure to collect and analyze the data. And then after finding method, finding result. So the result we can use table that as a fact because writer make this table after doing the research. So the result have so much selected strategy and different word using different strategy, and the most strategy that used to translate the idiom in this article is paraphrase. So the source text is this, translated text this, and selected strategy is. Then after find the result, we need to find discussion. So we need to explain about the diagram. The diagram means that the most strategy, the most select the diagram it say the function of diagram in this article to make comparison about how much each strategy that use to translate in this article. The common or the often strategy used is paraphrase and following by similar meaning but dissimilar form, and then translation by omission, and the last or the least strategy that used in this article is use an idiom of similar meaning and form. And discussion that we can find here. Okay, so this article have completed breakdown that we need to find from article. Okay, this are from article 4. Next, article 5. Okay, the last article is an analysis of translation of idioms used in Conan Doyle novel A Study in Scarlet. So the introduction we have in here until here, and the opinion from writer that we can find in abstract start from this study was conducted to find out the type of idiom used in English version of the novel, to find out the strategy used by translation of Indonesian version of the novel in translating the English idiom, and to find out the accuracy, acceptability, and reliability of the translation of the idiom in the novel. Okay, after find introduction, we need to find the method. Okay, the method that using in this article is qualitative method. So find method, we need to find result and discussion. Okay, the result from this article, one of example is after doing the research, writer found that pure idioms is least idiom in from the novel, and semi idioms is the most idiom that can found in the novel, and the total of idiom that need to translate is 60 idiom. And the discussion here is the discussion. And then the fact that author can say in this novel, in this article, is it is revealed that the average score for the accuracy of translation of idiom is 2.69. Okay,